Welcome to the world of wealthy road travel. In a realm where adventure meets extravagance, luxury RVs redefine the boundaries of comfort and sophistication. These mobile palaces combine cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance, offering unparalleled amenities for those seeking freedom and grandeur on the open road. From state-of-the-art motorhomes with panoramic views to RVs outfitted with bespoke interiors and advanced entertainment systems, these vehicles represent the pinnacle of luxury travel. Tiffin 2025 GH1. The Tiffin 2025 GH1 is a pinnacle of off-road luxury, skillfully blending comfort with rugged capability. Mounted on a Mercedes-Benz 2500 Sprinter cargo van chassis and enhanced by Agile Off-Road's Fox shocks, it's designed to tackle any terrain easily. This RV offers modern conveniences like onboard solar power and an optional Starlink Pro for seamless connectivity. Its advanced climate control system, managed via a wall-mounted thermostat, ensures comfort in any environment. The GH1 boasts a 3,000-watt Victron PureSine wave inverter and a battle-born lithium-ion battery kit, making it perfect for extended off-grid living. With a freshwater capacity of 26 gallons and seating for up to 4, the Tiffin GH1 provides a luxurious, adventure-ready experience for discerning travelers. Marathon Coach 1388. The Marathon Coach 1388 exemplifies the zenith of luxury RV living, blending opulence with cutting-edge technology. This high-end coach features a Crestron audio system with surround sound, providing an exceptional entertainment experience. The Girard automatic awning package with fairings extends outdoor comfort with effortless style. Power concerns are addressed by the robust 20-kilowatt Kohler generator, equipped with an autogen feature for uninterrupted power. Innovative systems like the patented Freedom Plus sewer system and TechLink electrical system highlight Marathon's dedication to advanced solutions. Inside, the 1388 offers a luxurious kitchen with top-tier appliances, a plush bedroom with premium bedding and smart storage, and a spa-like bathroom with high-end fixtures. The Marathon Coach 1388 is a sanctuary on wheels, ensuring unrivaled comfort and elegance on any journey. Airstream Tradewind. The Airstream Tradewind exemplifies luxury and versatility in RV design with its innovative 25 FB floor plan. This model maximizes living space, seamlessly blending working, dining, and relaxing areas. Equipped with Airstream's largest battery bank, inverter, and solar setup, including 600-watt roof-mounted solar panels and a Victron-powered monitor, it excels in off-grid performance. The 3-inch suspension lift, Goodyear Wrangler workhorse tires, and front rock guards ensure it easily handles rugged terrains. Inside, the Tradewind offers a full kitchen, bathroom, and shower, complemented by smart TVs and internet connectivity. Its robust electrical system supports high-wattage appliances, while optional features like a rear hatch and composting toilet add practicality and eco-friendliness. The Airstream Tradewind is a sophisticated choice for adventurous travelers seeking comfort and independence. Marathon Coach 1379. The Marathon Coach 1379 represents the height of luxury and innovation in RV design. This exquisitely crafted coach features a Crestron audio system with surround sound, creating an immersive entertainment experience. The Girard automatic awning package with fairings enhances outdoor living with effortless shade and comfort. Powered by a reliable 20-kilowatt Kohler generator with an autogen feature, it ensures a constant power supply. Marathon's patented Freedom Plus sewer system and TechLink electrical system streamline maintenance and enhance convenience. Inside, the 1379 boasts a step-up private rear bathroom with high-end fixtures and generous space, offering a luxurious retreat. The elegant interior layout, crafted with premium materials and sophisticated design, makes the Marathon Coach 1379 a pinnacle of mobile luxury for discerning travelers. Tiffin 2025 Zephyr 45FZ. The Tiffin 2025 Zephyr 45FZ epitomizes RV luxury with its power, elegance, and advanced features. Fueled by a formidable Cummins 1.6 diesel pusher engine, delivering 605 horsepower and 1950 foot-pounds of torque, It guarantees a powerful and smooth driving experience. It offers reliable performance, built on a Freightliner Powerglide chassis and paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission. At 45 feet long with a nearly 7-foot interior height, the Zephyr 45FZ provides expansive living space. It features 100-gallon fresh and gray water tanks and a 55-gallon black tank for extended trips. It is constructed with aluminum and fiberglass and boasts extensive storage and a 150-gallon fuel tank. With a towing capacity of 20,000 pounds, this RV is a top choice for travelers seeking unparalleled comfort and capability. Charleston Newmar Baystar 3416. The Charleston Newmar Baystar 3416 is a blend of sophistication and performance designed for ultimate comfort on the road. Powered by a Ford F53 chassis and a V8 engine delivering 350 horsepower and 468 feet-pounds of torque, it offers a powerful and smooth driving experience. The 6-speed automatic torque shift transmission with overdrive enhances driving efficiency. At nearly 35 feet in length and with an interior height of 6.67 feet, the Baystar 3416 provides a spacious living area. Its design includes ample storage, with a dry weight of 20,744 pounds and a payload capacity of 3,256 pounds. With an 80-gallon fuel tank, 75-gallon fresh water tank, and luxury interior features, the Baystar 3416 ensures a stylish and practical travel experience for discerning RV enthusiasts. Adria Sonic Supreme. The Adria Sonic Supreme epitomizes luxury in integrated motorhomes, blending elegance with exceptional comfort. Its sleek automotive design and contemporary interior offer a sophisticated yet functional travel experience. The loft-style layout and large panoramic window bathe the space in natural light, creating an open, airy atmosphere. It features a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers and a 32-inch TV point for entertainment. The advanced temperature control, with options like Truma or Alde heating, ensures year-round comfort. Premium details such as versatile lighting, Tencel-covered mattresses, and smart storage enhance the living experience. The innovative pull-out and folding seats add flexibility, while the intelligent Mac Adria control app allows easy management of key functions from your smartphone or tablet. The Adria Sonic Supreme offers unmatched style, comfort, and performance for discerning travelers. Tiffin 2025 Wayfarer 25LW. The Tiffin 2025 Wayfarer 25LW excels in the RV market with its blend of durability and luxury. It is built on a Mercedes-Benz 3500 XD cutaway chassis and offers a solid and dependable travel experience. The Wayfarer balances maneuverability with comfort at 25 feet 8 inches long, ideal for various travel styles. The bathroom is a highlight, featuring a porcelain vessel sink with a black matte faucet, a handheld shower head, and a skylight that fills the space with natural light. Practical amenities include towel and toilet paper holders, an oversized mirror, and a base cabinet. The standard 24 by 32-inch molded fiberglass shower is spacious, with an optional larger size available. The Tiffin 2025 Wayfarer 25LW combines smart design and premium materials for a stylish, comfortable travel experience. HYMER Venture S. The HYMER Venture S sets a new standard in motorhome travel with its blend of innovative design and functionality. It has a narrow body and distinctive look and provides spacious interiors without sacrificing maneuverability. Designed for two, the Venture S offers a luxurious travel experience with multifunctional pendant lamps and dimmable interior lighting, all controllable via the HYMER Connect app. Ambient step lighting adds comfort and safety. Powered by a 190 horsepower Mercedes-Benz Sprinter engine with standard all-wheel drive, it delivers exceptional performance on and off-road. The exterior's honeycomb look decals and optional 18-inch tires, coupled with BSF Raptor paint for durability, enhance its style and resilience. With the Smart Connect unit and HYMER Connect app, the Venture S offers unmatched connectivity and convenience, making every journey seamless and enjoyable. inTech Sol Eclipse. The inTech Sol Eclipse redefines compact RV luxury with its blend of elegance and practicality. Its lightweight, nimble construction ensures easy towing and access to smaller campsites. Inside, the adaptable bed and lounge area can transform between a relaxed lounge, twin beds, and an oversized king bed, catering to various needs. The kitchen has a panoramic windshield, offering breathtaking outdoor views while cooking. The interior features high-quality materials and craftsmanship, creating a stylish and cozy living space. Notable extras include a spacious dinette, a large awning, a wet bath, an exterior slide-out kitchen, and a roof rack for added convenience. Built with a fully welded aluminum frame, the Sol Eclipse promises durability and long-lasting performance for your adventures. Hitch Hotel. The Hitch Hotel revolutionizes mobile accommodations with its blend of convenience and versatility. Compact under 3.5 feet when stored, it expands to a spacious 7-foot camper, offering comfort and functionality. Ideal for couples, this innovative trailer easily attaches to any car with a hitch, enabling spontaneous travel. Its quick setup and retractable design simplify the camping experience, eliminating the need for traditional gear. Inside, the Hitch Hotel provides ample storage and a cozy sleeping area with a view, enhancing any outdoor adventure. Combining compactness with comfort, the Hitch Hotel offers a unique alternative to traditional tents and RVs, making it an excellent choice for those seeking freedom and ease on the road. ioCamper Truck. The ioCamper truck transforms RV camping with its blend of convenience and luxury. This innovative RV body attaches to any dual cab pickup in just 15 minutes, providing a comfortable outdoor living space for up to 5 people. Made from high-quality fiberglass reinforced PE, it boasts exceptional durability, waterproofing, and windproofing, ensuring year-round usability. The quick setup is ideal for spontaneous trips, whether for camping, fishing, or hunting. Inside, the ioCamper truck features a double bed, single beds with memory foam mattresses, a dining table, a fully equipped kitchen, a bathroom, and ample storage compartments. Its compact yet comprehensive design delivers a complete and comfortable outdoor experience, redefining mobile living. Winnebago Revel. The Winnebago Revel elevates off-road adventure with its rugged capability and luxurious comfort. Featuring an all-wheel drive turbo diesel engine and advanced off-grid power solutions, this van is built for extended adventures. It provides ample living space at 19 6-inch in length and 9 11-inch in height. Modern amenities include LED ceiling lights, tinted Euro acrylic windows, and a deluxe-powered ventilator fan, ensuring a cozy environment. The versatile forward-facing lounge seat with integrated seatbelts and adjustable table enhances dining and relaxation. The Revel also includes a wet bath with a swiveling cassette toilet and a powerlift bed with storage below, combining convenience with functionality. With its robust build and thoughtful design, the Winnebago Revel is perfect for those seeking freedom and comfort on their travels. inTech Flyer Explorer. The inTech Flyer Explorer is the ultimate rugged RV, engineered for adventure and durability. Its all-aluminum, fully welded cage frame ensures strength on even the most challenging terrain. Despite its tough exterior, the Explorer offers a spacious interior that comfortably fits 4 to 6 adults, thanks to its roadside and optional curbside tip-outs. This RV also functions as a micro-light toy haulier, with off-road tires, a loading ramp door, and ample tie-down rings for all your gear. Modern amenities, including a freshwater system, optional LP furnace, and entertainment options, guarantee comfort and convenience on the go. Ideal for both backcountry exploration and off-grid camping, the inTech Flyer Explorer is a versatile and dependable choice for adventurous travelers.